Sandwich. An item of food consisting of 2 pieces of bread with a filling between them, eaten as a light meal. The word sandwich probably comes from John Montagu, the 4th Earl of Sandwich. He was an Englishman who lived in the 18th century. He loved playing cards, and he didn't want to stop playing to eat. With a sandwich, he could play and eat at the same time. But the sandwich did not become popular because of John Montagu. In fact, the sandwich became popular in England in the 19th century when people began to work longer hours and needed something practical to take to work. Soon, workers in the United States started to eat sandwiches too. Today, the sandwich is the most popular snack in the world. The average American eats 193 sandwiches a year. And it looks like the sandwich is going to be a national favorite for a long time to come. Sandwiches are popular because they're simple. All you need is some bread and some filling, like a slice of cheese and some meat. You don't have any cheese or meat? Don't worry. You can put anything in a sandwich. This is Eastern District, a sandwich shop in Brooklyn, New York. Here, you can buy cheese, meat, snacks, chips, and sandwiches. A lot of sandwiches. Lunchtime is the busiest time of the day in Eastern District. Lots of people buy sandwiches when they're at work. They are quicker and easier to eat than a full meal, but they can still be healthy and filling. Eastern District is always thinking of ways to make their sandwiches tastier and more interesting. They have a lot of classic sandwiches, like cheese and pickle, and ham and cheese. But they have some more unusual sandwiches too. Soon they're going to introduce a salmon, goat cheese, and onion sandwich. Delicious. So, how many sandwiches do you sell a day?
We sell on a good day, we sell 50 sandwiches.
How much do people spend on their lunch?
On average, people spend about $10 for lunch.
Which sandwiches are the most popular?
Our most popular sandwich is the ham and cheddar with mustard.
What's your favorite sandwich?
Let me decide here. Okay, my personal favorite sandwich is the prosciutto with ricotta cheese and olives and fresh greens.
The sandwich has changed a lot since John Montagu's time, but it's still as popular as ever.